Welcome to Earnings Central. In this video, we'll break down Lam Research's first quarter fiscal 2025 earnings call in under 4 minutes. We'll cover the key financials and major takeaways, so you can stay informed without spending hours listening to the full call. Let's get started. Lam Research posted impressive financial results for Q1 2025, with revenue coming in at $4.17 billion, up 8% from the previous quarter. The company exceeded expectations on profitability, with earnings per share reaching 86 cents, above the midpoint of their guided range. Notably, they generated strong free cash flow of $1.46 billion, representing 35% of revenue. Looking at the business segments, memory made up 35% of systems revenue, with DRAM at 24% and non-volatile memory at 11%. The foundry segment represented 41% of systems revenue, while logic and other segments accounted for 24%. Their customer support business group continued to show strength, generating approximately $1.8 billion in revenue, up 4% quarter-over-quarter and 25% higher than the same period last year. Geographically, China remained their largest market at 37% of revenue, though this is expected to decrease to around 30% in the coming quarter. Korea followed at 18%, with Taiwan and the United States rounding out the top regions. Now, let's look at what management had to say about the future. CEO Tim Archer expressed confidence in the company's outlook for 2025, expecting overall wafer fab equipment (WFE) spending to grow from 2024's mid-$90 billion range. More importantly, Lam Research expects to outperform the broader WFE market growth in 2025. This optimistic outlook is driven by several key factors. First, the company sees significant opportunities in NAND technology upgrades, where they have a strong market position. Currently, over 2/3 of NAND bits are still manufactured using older sub-200-layer technologies, creating a substantial upgrade opportunity. The company is also gaining momentum in advanced packaging solutions, driven by AI-related demand. Their Sabre 3D technology for copper plating has seen impressive adoption, with revenue more than doubling this year. This growth is expected to continue as both the number of advanced packages and the metal layer count per package increases. Another exciting development is the transition to molybdenum from tungsten in various chip manufacturing processes. Lam has secured production wins for this transition in NAND, with foundry logic and DRAM implementations to follow in 2025. This represents a significant opportunity as the industry moves to address increasing challenges in world line resistance. The company is also seeing strong customer adoption of their equipment intelligence services, with an additional 500 process chambers subscribed in the past quarter. This highlights the growing importance of data-driven solutions in semiconductor manufacturing. Looking ahead to the December quarter, Lam Research provided guidance for revenue of $4.3 billion, plus or minus $300 million, with earnings per share expected at 87 cents. While China revenue is expected to normalize to around 30% of total revenue, the company remains well-positioned to benefit from multiple technology inflections across the semiconductor industry. In conclusion, Lam Research delivered strong results and provided an optimistic outlook for 2025, driven by their leadership in critical semiconductor manufacturing processes and their ability to capitalize on important technology transitions in the industry. Their strong position in NAND upgrades, advanced packaging, and new materials adoption suggests continued growth opportunities ahead. That wraps up our recap of Lam Research's Q1 2025 earnings call. If you found this recap helpful and want to stay on top of more earnings reports from other companies, don't forget to subscribe. We've got plenty more quick and easy breakdowns coming your way from Earnings Central.